looks great. I love it.
Over here. Number one. Over here.
That's number 1 panel.
Yep.
Number 2 panel. 3 panel.
So,
And so on. 4, 5, and 6 are on the ground. Let's cover that spot as we go up.
Was it complicated?
Yeah, very.
No, seriously.
No.
no, it's very simple actually.
And it's just taken the two of you to do all this work.
Yeah, I just highly recommend you know how to read a ruler before you start.
Why you didn't?
My father taught me how
They
to.
taught him no.
My dad taught me how to read a ruler years ago.
Okay.
Hey, boss.
We hold this boss man. One panel going in.
As you can see, it doesn't take many people to do this. Something you can DIY. And it looks great. I love it. Neighbors have been stopping by and saying how nice it looks.
Now we'll screw these in. Make sure you have a level them up.
Yeah, it looks good. Sure.
We got number 2 going up. Got some adhesive going. Ronnie's over there putting the big stretch on the tabs. Seal it.
Hurricane won't get this siding off.
Tornado proof. Bring it on.
So, one more.
Ring, sir.
As you can see, it's not too complicated and it is beautiful. So again, I'll show you the other side that's finished. And that's it. Thank you.